If you recall, the mission of internal audit emphasized on enhancing and protecting organizational value. And do you remember how? Pause the video and try to remember. Yes, by providing risk-based and objective assurance, advice, and insight. Definition of internal auditing is an integral extension of that mission by explaining the fundamental purpose, nature, and scope of internal auditing. The definition states, internal auditing is an independent, objective, assurance and consulting activity designed to add value and improve an organization's operations. It helps an organization accomplish its objectives by bringing a systematic, disciplined approach to evaluate and improve the effectiveness of risk management, control, and governance processes. Let's break it down in digestible chunks and have a closer look. First, the attributes the internal audit activity should have. It should be independent and objective. We will discuss these concepts in sufficient detail in Domain 2. Then the scope of its service, assurance and consulting. We will discuss these in section 1.3 of Domain 1. Then the purpose. It should be designed to add value and improve operations and help accomplish objectives. And finally, the method or how it will achieve the purpose. By bringing a systematic, disciplined approach to evaluate and improve the effectiveness of risk management. Control and governance processes. These concepts will be discussed in detail in Domain 5, the largest domain of Part 1. We will always keep these four aspects, attributes, scope, purpose, and method, in mind when we think of the definition of internal auditing. Let's have another quick look at the IPPF illustration. This will help you visualize where each element sits and its purpose. Notice again that the definition is part of the mandatory guidance, meaning that internal audit department can't claim conformance with the IPPF until it ensures that it is structured as per the definition of internal auditing. One of those four aspects that we need to understand now is purpose, and especially the concept of adding value, as this is the centerpiece of the definition and also the most used and maybe misused word in the professional domains. So what do we mean by value and how do we add it? Even though Standard 2000 is not part of the Part 1 syllabus of the certification, but it's worth mentioning its interpretation of adding value. It states that the internal audit activity adds value to the organization and its stakeholders when it considers strategies, objectives, and risks, and strives to offer ways to enhance what? Yes, governance, risk management, and control processes, and objectively provides relevant assurance. So if you see the ways in which the internal audit adds value is when it considered strategies, objectives, and risks, so being an integral part of the operation and understanding the operations, and also when it strives to offer ways to enhance what? Governance, risk management, control processes, and then objectively provides relevant assurance. Quite a mouthful, right? Throughout the course, we will look at various examples, and those examples will highlight different aspects by which internal audit adds value. So the concept would be made crystal clear to you. Let's see you in the next lesson.